Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, secure the car and wear safety glasses because you will be working near hot piping. Once safe, locate the turbo's bypass or recirculation valve. This is the key component that stops compressor surge. You will prepare a controlled restriction of the recirc path. Make sure you have a hose clamp and a short silicone coupler. Do this deliberately because the change alters boost dynamics. Understand that louder flutter comes from forced compressor backflow, not from adding parts for sound alone. Now, remove the vacuum actuator line or unplug the electrical connector. This isolates the recirc valve so you can control flow. Once done, fit a short coupler with an intentional partial restriction, roughly 30 to 50% cross-section. It creates the pressure buildup needed for audible flutter. Make sure clamps are tight and that you can easily restore the original routing. While you work, keep the engine cool. Abrupt throttle snaps with the modification can spike back pressure, so proceed in short trials. Finish by testing with stationary light throttle blips. This is where you confirm the louder turbo flutter. You will listen for a consistent, sharp flutter. If it sounds harsh or causes load loss, make sure to reduce the restriction or return the valve to stock right away. Also monitor boost and listen for bearings or metallic knocks. If things go wrong, symptoms like irregular boost spikes or loud grinding, stop, revert to stock recirc, and inspect piping and the turbo for damage before
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.